I made these Christmas candles for my wife. Do you think she'll like them? This elf sure seems to like them. For the first candle, I placed 3 wicks towards one side of a Goodwill bowl I got for $2, and then I secured the wicks with a wooden spoon, a bamboo skewer, and hair clips. I then poured in the melted wax from 8 Dollar Tree jar candles. Yes, this bowl took a lot of wax to fill, but it was well worth it in the end. I let the wax cool for a couple of hours, and then I arranged a bunch of Dollar Tree bristle trees on the side of the candle opposite the wicks. Then I poured the wax from one more candle to fill the candle completely. Here's how it looked as I left it to let the wax fully cool and harden. The next day, I removed the spoon and skewer, trimmed the wicks, and this shimmering tree candle was ready for action. This was the most expensive candle of the bunch, but the $15.75 is a steal considering what something this size and this beautiful would cost in a store. My next candle was born from an accident. As I was unpacking some Christmas decor, I fumbled one of my wife's 3 ceramic reindeer. Oops. But the severed reindeer head gave me an idea. I gathered the pieces and got to work. Since he didn't have a face to speak of, I gave old Rudolph a red nose, beady little eyes, and a tiny little smile. And then I hot glued his head and legs into a ceramic Dollar Tree bowl. Then I put 2 wicks in the bowl and secured them as I always do with a wooden spoon and hair clips. This candle took about 2.5 jars of wax to fill, and then I left it to cool and harden. After a couple of hours, I trimmed the wicks and lit him up. I think Rudolph much prefers his hot bath than flying around the world freezing cold, delivering presents to snotty little brats who probably don't deserve them. Candle number 3 was actually the 4th I made, but this elf is just so excited I felt I should share him now. He was part of a Christmas measuring cup set I got at Walmart. There was just one problem. By the time I got to this candle, I discovered that I'd run out of wicks. Well, necessity is the mother of invention, so I dashed to our birthday candle drawer and pulled out a golden one. Hey, it's a wick, right? I dipped the end in hot wax and stuck it in the elf's bowl. It looked like a big fat wick. I filled the bowl with hot wax and then supported the wick with a bamboo skewer while the wax cooled and hardened. And my God, would you look at that? I think this elf is very happy to see you. I made this last candle in a winter hat bowl I got from Target Dollar Spot. There was a plastic rim I first removed, and then I placed a wick inside. I secured the wick by wrapping it around a bamboo skewer, and then I poured in enough wax to fill the bowl. This is the simplest candle of the bunch, but I think it still looks great, especially next to the shimmering tree candle. Well, for those wondering, yes, my wife loves them all. She can't get over how elegant the tree candle looks, and she thinks Rudolph soaking in his bath is, and I quote, just the cutest thing ever. And then there's this guy. And if you're wondering how I made these little gnomes, please let me know in the comments if I should make a video for them. And as for our excited little elf, yes, a birthday candle will work as an emergency wick, though he no longer seems as excited as when he first got lit. Follow for more fun and easy holiday crafts and DIYs.